Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's video because I love starting fresh, and here we are starting fresh for 2019. So welcome to my 2019 bullet journal setup. This year I got an army green bullet journal, and also this year I feel like I'm going to be more attracted to neutrals and that dusty green and dusty colors, so I'm really excited for that as well. Right now I am just doing the key and the cover page, which is just a lot of fun to do. And I just want to thank you guys for all the constant support that I've gotten from you about my bullet journals within this past year. You know, these videos are not the easiest to make because it is a lot of footage and a lot of time, but I do love these videos and I love my bullet journal, and you guys help me create that. And if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more, because that's how I know, you know? And I do want to mention this does not include the January monthly setup. That'll be another video that comes out right after this. And sorry, but I'm also going to plug my Patreon right here as well, because I don't talk about it that much, and you probably know from all the other creators you watch, but YouTube doesn't pay that much money. So if you do want to support me a little bit with making these videos and all that good stuff, I do have a Patreon account where you can subscribe and all that stuff. Alright, enough with the plugs. I'll leave you alone to watch the rest of this little bit. So this is my year at a glance, and I used this so much last year I had to just do it the same way. And you're only going to see me set up a couple months because it's not that important that you see how I set up every single month. I don't want to waste your time, basically. Alright, moving on, I have my 2019 resolutions and 2019 bucket list, and I love these pages. These pages are so motivating, and they're so satisfying to set up and plan your year. I highly recommend that you have something like this in your bullet journal. So on this next page, I have my overall life bucket list that I have going. I highly recommend you have something like this in your bullet journal as well. It's super fun to keep track of. So this page is just a page for my YouTube ideas, basically. Somewhere to brainstorm and write ideas down. On this next page, I have a monthly bill and subscription list, and it's a good way to just keep track of what I'm paying monthly. And also I have a list on here for my page ideas, and that's kind of a good thing to have if you don't want to do it immediately. So for this fitness tracker, I will write weights in all of those squares and color it in basically when I reach that weight. And I also have a weight log and a measurement log. And on the following page, I have trackers for my books, shows, movies, and games. And for my books, I'll basically write in the title of the book and color it in when I've read it. And the same for the movies and the games. For right now, I don't know what symbol to use for shows, so if you have an idea, definitely let me know in the comments, because I couldn't come up with anything. So I left a page blank just in case I wanted to add anything later on. And I ended with the quote, "There are far better things ahead than any we leave behind," because I feel like that was a really good way to start off the new year. Alright guys, I hope you liked my little 2019 bullet journal setup video. I really loved how this came out and I'm super excited to continue this year. I hope you got some inspiration from this and maybe got some ideas for what you want to do for your own bullet journal. I wish you all a very, very happy new year. Don't forget to work hard for your goals throughout the whole year, and I know you guys can make it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tap that bell for notifications because I post every week. Alright guys, I love you to the end of space and back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!